Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I've been navigating the high seas of international trade for over 15 years and turned content creator to share what I've learned in the import-export world. My mission? To empower entrepreneurs like you to thrive in a way that's both meaningful and sustainable. Despite years of making videos, I still receive countless messages asking for advice on starting, growing, and scaling international businesses. So today, let's dive into the 7 most common blunders I see new traders make time and time again. First up, mistake number 1, insufficient market research. This is something I've emphasized in many of my videos. The excitement of entering international trade can often lead to skipping the crucial step of deep market research. But knowing your target market inside out lays the foundation of your business. Without it, you're building on sand. Spend that extra time understanding market trends, consumer behaviors, and the regulatory environment. It's not just about selling, it's about winning right from the start. Moving on to mistake number 2, ignoring cultural differences. Never underestimate the power of cultural nuances. They can make or break your deals. What works in one culture may flop in another. Take the time to study and respect local customs and behaviors. It's more than just knowing what to do or not do. It's about grasping those subtle cues that can smooth your business interactions and build lasting relationships. Remember, you're not just selling a product, you're forming connections. These are just the first 2 blunders. Stick with me as we unveil more pitfalls to avoid in your international trading journey. And hey, if any of this resonates, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and learning about your experiences and insights. Let's keep the conversation going and help each other succeed in the vast world of international trade. Stay tuned.